What's up, everybody? It's your girl Letta Jean, and we are playing with fire today on tonight's Tutorial Tuesday. And I used things that you can find around your house right now. So let's hop into it. So to build your fire, you will need petroleum jelly, some dryer sheets, toilet paper rolls, and some dryer lint. So the original inspiration for this video came from another YouTuber that I saw because I ran out of starter logs, so I wanted to start a fire. But right now I noticed that people in different cities and states are without power, so I figured this would be definitely beneficial to those who are in emergency situations and they need some kind of warmth. So if you have a fire pit or some way that you can start a fire or a fireplace in your house, I found this video, and all you have to do is grab some old dryer sheets, rub some petroleum jelly on them, and roll the dryer lint up in the dryer sheets. After that, I took it a further step and I used some more of the petroleum jelly and spread it around the inside of the tube. Like, get you a nice little amount and spread it around on the inside of the tube like this. Then you are going to take your roll from the lint and the dryer sheet and insert it into the toilet paper roll and fold it over and let some of it stick out, because that's what you're going to light when you get it in your fireplace or in your fire pit. So I'm just going to repeat the same process and fill up the rest of these tubes, and we'll move on to the next step. So I put petroleum jelly pretty much everywhere. I put it on the dryer sheet, I put it on the lint, and I rolled it up and put everything together so that it can burn for as long as possible. Alright, so I'm outside at the fire pit and I'm going to place my toilet paper rolls in my fire pit. I'm also taking this time to gather up some of my wood that I have to the side. Make sure it's dry, because anything wet is not going to burn well. So you want to start with some small pieces of wood first, and that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I have some sticks and I'm ready to get it started, and we're gonna see how this thing goes. Okay, so from this point forward, I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna just let y'all see that this thing does work. We do have a fire, and I'm gonna let you all enjoy the ambiance and the nice rainfall and fire sounds. So there you have it, a fire. Of course, you can have it as big as you want. I have some bigger logs, but they were all wet, so I wasn't able to throw them on there, but you get the gist of it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, tell your friends about it, and y'all be blessed and have a great day.